Make a great choice today with
the 2011 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.